Hi, it's me again with Laser Tips and Tricks. A little video on Stonelite design. They make this product that is real stone, and somehow I kind of understand how they do it, but look how flexible it is, and it stays together. Now, I went out to the shop this morning and made a couple of 3D designs, and I've got a little char residue on that. I tried to get most of it off, and I got some of it off. And it doesn't really matter. Most people couldn't even tell it because I used dual tight adhesive on 1/8" plywood and then cut them both out. And you can see this is just a stone, and I cut it out with just the stone, and there's no burn residue. There's a little bit of burn residue, but it wipes off with a little alcohol and water. This is their white stone against the black stone. And I wanted to see, I mean, if you look at that right there, that one little piece stayed all together. And what I truly like about, I met Mike last year at the APA show in Las Vegas, which is coming up in February of 2026. And I'm teaching a Corel class. And I'm not sure yet if Mike's going to be there this year, but I got to meet him. Really not, what I like about the company, it's family owned. And when you email or call Mike, he's going to answer your questions. So let's go to their website. There's a couple of people that are very pleased with their product. I mean, there's a good example how flexible this product is. I mean, making round lampshades out of it. And I mean, look at the colors, you know, autumn rust, black line, copper, dark silver, ocean green, white star is what I used. I mean, it's incredible. And I'm going to put a link to their website, but I'm going to put a link to this video by Laser Dave. He's a Trotec person, and he gives a really good little video on how this stuff cuts out and some of the uses you could use. It's it's a natural product. No two pieces will ever be the same. But I can't say enough about it's a family deal. And when you email him or call, he's going to call you back. And I mean, they've got other, they have like cheese boards with little wooden trays that they sell that are like pure granite cheese boards. And but anyway, I'm going to put a link to their website and a link to this video because Laser Dave is a real knowledgeable laser person, and it's a really good video. Anyway, hope that little bit of insight helped you, and thank you for watching.